So you've heard about ChatGPT, but you're wondering about the link between generative AI and business. 37%, that is the productivity increase that the team has found with ChatGPT and without ChatGPT. 37%, that MIT study shows that teams can do work which they would normally do in 5 days, now in 3. That's why we at BlueSoft have been conducting discovery workshops. What's a discovery workshop? Discovery workshops are workshops where you learn about this new technology. But not only this, you have a hands-on part where you try ChatGPT, Bard, Perplexity, Claude, all these different models, and you leave the workshop with very concrete applications that you can use in your business. We've done it for pharma, for banking, for oil and gas, and many other verticals. So we'll give you 4 quick examples of what this means in your business. The first one is hyper-personalization. It was very difficult to do hyper-personalization before, but now it's very simple. I take a profile, I run it through ChatGPT, I say, well, who is this person? What are their values and behaviors? I needed to be half of a psychologist before to know this. And not only this person is coming to meet me in 5 minutes. Do I speak more data-driven? Do I speak more high-level? What is the MBTI of a person? Which means this is so powerful for your sales teams, for your marketing teams, and even for you to engage with customers. The second one, we will show you digital twins. What are digital twins? Digital twins are a copy of a person or a role. This is so powerful. Imagine you have an executive in the company and the marketing team, the compliance team, the legal team, everybody wants to speak to that executive. They can now go and speak virtually with the digital twin of that person. They can have multiple iterations with a digital twin before meeting that person. It accelerates also processes, and most importantly, it's instant. Let's say I like to work at 4 in the morning. I can go and query that digital person and speak with that person instead of waiting and having a meeting with that person probably in the next 2 or 3 weeks because their calendar is so full. We will show you also how to use Debate AI. Debate AI is fantastic. It's a way to do virtual focus groups, which means let's say you want to launch a new product and double checking with 50 customers, do it in a virtual debate. Let's say you have a problem with a certain customer. Put that customer into the room, put the counterparts into the room, put yourself into the room and debate on how the outcome of that situation could be. Very tough negotiations, use Debate AI, because with Debate AI, you can run not one type of negotiation, but multiple types of negotiations and be very prepared when you go to your customer, when you go to your vendor, and when you go to any new project that you are starting. And finally, we will show you about getting insights from data. You don't need a heavy data scientist team. Now with ChatGPT and Code Interpreter and Wolfram, you can upload your data and you can get insights. This is an industrial robot. And instead of saying, what is happening with the data, I can now tell the outcome. What can I do with this industrial robot so that it breaks less, so that it works better? And ChatGPT and Code Interpreter can go through your entire data and give you actionable insights. And obviously you want to do it in an enterprise setting. You don't want all your enterprise data to go onto ChatGPT or all of these tools. You want to do it in an enterprise setting. And we at BlueSoft put a lot of value on it and can help and support your team to do so. We believe that you have the best team in the industry right now. Your team currently has superpowers. We will show them how to fly using generative AI. So if we can help your team and support them with a discovery workshop to learn about actionable insights on the link between generative AI and business, then reach out to us. And in the meantime, most wonderful greetings from Warsaw in Poland.